Hi guys, welcome back to Zara's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about how she finds it really difficult to read after exams are over. Guys, there's this syndrome called after exam syndrome. This syndrome makes you feel like you are no longer a medical student, like you are graduated, no need to read. So if you take a survey of everybody in this class right now, more than 50% of people hardly read their books this week because they felt like we'll not write exam today and we'll still have a lot of posting time. I can read everything again. But then some few ones like Zara who were inspired when the man said that we should finish this book 4 times before graduation. It is Davidson. If you don't know the book, this is it. Davidson Medicine. This are you seeing the width of this book? You guys, this book is plenty. But then people like Zara, in fact Zara wants to finish her 5 times. 5 times, guys, 5 times. Hey, so this after exam syndrome, there are things you can do to avoid it. The first thing is reading in bits. Now the truth is you can never read as much as we're reading during exams, 8 hours, 10 hours straight, no. But then you can read 30 minutes in between and then take breaks in between rather, or 15 minutes if that's okay with you. So just go. And then another thing that helps you to overcome this syndrome is curiosity. 199, 200. Because curiosity helps you. You're like, oh, let me check this thing. Oh, let me check that. And you can become curious by watching videos, by taking down questions or intriguing things that the lecturer said in class, and then you just come back and you want to check them out. And you're like, are you serious? So 1.78 people die every second, every snap of your finger. That's what the man said. And you're like, really? And you want to watch it? And you want to find it rather. So you just go to your book and you find it. So that way you can overcome this after exam non-reading syndrome. Another thing you can do is you can try to read your notes, because your notes are like what you jotted in class and it wouldn't be so difficult to read them. So you could just read your notes and then you would learn, and that would be okay. But then if you want to go and start reading slides materials, the truth is if you're not really disciplined, and not just really disciplined, if you're not really passionate about this thing, you will not read it. If you're like me, you rather prefer to read novels and do a lot of other things with your time. Anyways, thank you so much for listening to this episode of overcoming after exam syndrome. And guys, make sure that the reason why we're having this after exam syndrome basically is because we passed our exams, and it's really a good thing because you're free. There's just this air of freedom, and you cannot have it when you don't pass your exams. So you actually have to pass your exams first to have the after exam syndrome, and then you have to pass your exam in that new class to actually have the after exam syndrome in the next class, and so the cycle continues and continues, and so eventually you just have to read because that's medical school for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share to your friends, share to whoever, people in med school, people not in med school, because this advice works for everybody everywhere. And then don't forget to watch till the end, because a lot of people have this bad habit of not watching to the end. If you've come here, obviously I watched to the end. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. Bye guys.